Prepare some aubergine salad. I had them frozen and I let them overnight in the fridge to defrost slowly. They were cooked in the oven, and then after they were cooled, peeled, and now we start chopping it. Also, I want to mention that now is the perfect time to do this step because it's not defrost completely and it's very easy to do it. I'll do this about 5 to 10 minutes until it's very soft, like a pasta. Now, after we chopped the aubergines and it has this texture as a puree, we want them to get the water out, or else the salad will be too watery, and we're gonna leave it like that for a few minutes or even more. You can leave it for 1 hour. Now we boil 4 eggs, onions. You can use either white onions, whichever you prefer, and I prefer to cut them in small pieces like this. The next step, we're gonna need pepper, salt, the chopped onions, a lemon cut in half, the boiled eggs, and sunflower oil. So now we're gonna separate the egg white from the egg yolk, and we're gonna use the egg yolk for making the mayonnaise, and the egg white we're using to put in the salad. We're gonna cut them in small pieces, and this is optional if you like. Now I'm going to separate from an egg the egg yolk from the egg white. And this is how we do it. And we use the egg yolk for the mayonnaise. Now we're gonna crush the egg yolks For mixing the mayonnaise, I prefer using the wooden spoon, and gradually we're gonna add oil, not much. And we keep doing this until we have the quantity of the mayonnaise that we need. Now we can add some mustard, a spoon of mustard. And keep continuing with the oil. Don't pour too much into the mayonnaise, but gradually, and keep mixing. Until you have the quantity that you want. Once I reach the quantity that I want, it looks like this. It has a texture of pudding. Okay. We can add black pepper, not too much. Okay. Salt. Same, not too much. You can add after you mixing with the aubergines, more if you want. And squeeze some lemon juice. Not much, just a few drops. And keep mixing. My little one wants to mix as well, so I'm gonna let her have fun a little bit. Hopefully she's done soon, before she puts mayonnaise everywhere. Bravo! Good job. We can add red onions. Traci tu comienza acolo, traci comienza în metru. Egg. Put it there. Take there. Good job. Good job. And that's how it looks. It looks delicious. And we're gonna try one slice and see the taste. delicious. Perfect.